I'm scared they're gonna touch me.
They probably will.
You probably won't feel it.
How was it?
It was good.
You ready?
Feels good.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, there's another one! Right here! Right here!
Oh my gosh! There's
Look at they're all over the place!
Where did it go? Okay.
Okay, where's the other one?
It's down there.
Is that all there is?
I don't know. I thought there was none left.
I got it. This is not okay.
Where are they?
I got him!
It was sitting on the
Kill 'em
chair.
Yes!
Oh, poor little things.
Belong in
No.
the Bahamas.
Oh my gosh. So what happened?
I brought in some blankets that had been folded up in storage for 2 years from the Bahamas last time. And I started trying to stuff them into this bag, and bugs started crawling out of them.
Literally, it felt like they were like everywhere.
Yes, they were.
And then Dad was like, "Just kill him. Just get him."
Pick them up.
I hope that there's like no more. That was really awful. Good thing you weren't here. She was in bed sleeping.
No, I wasn't.
Oh, that looks gross.
It's a shitty job.
The toilet?
Yep.
What?
This don't zip up.
What were you doing?
Getting the bugs off this.
You're shaking them out into the open to try to get them out.
Making fish food.
Ugh. Dad's changing out the toilet. Nasty. Denali, just a perfect little princess as always, huh? She's a perfect little princess. On the road again. Denali just can't wait to get on the road again. She is so excited.
I'm dropping you guys off and I'm going to records, right? Because they drive on the wrong side of the road here. Yes, that's important to know.
Our daughter Katie and her husband Logan joined us on the boat in Florida, helped us with the crossing to the Bahamas, and will be with us for another 3 weeks. Today we rented a golf cart to explore the area of Spanish Wells. This is one of our favorite areas in the Bahamas, and we're excited to share it with them and a few other cruisers who are visiting here for the first time. We caught up with our friends on Novastar and Moxie here. The check-in process was simple, and our friends even got more than 90 days on their visa. The trade winds are blowing pretty strong, and since it's only January, it makes it a bit nippy for swimming in the ocean, but it sure is beautiful. Spanish Wells is unique in the Bahamas. It's clean, the houses and yards are well cared for, and there are garbage cans everywhere. They have the best selection of stores and helpful tradesmen that we've come across. We can't recommend this place highly enough.
Hey, let's Washington. Hey, Marty.
We found a couple new places to visit this trip, Preacher's Cave and Sapphire Blue Hole. It requires a dinghy ride across to the bigger island of Eleuthera and a couple miles walk, but with friends, it's a pleasure.
Where are we going?
I have no idea.
We're gonna go jump in a big hole. Are you gonna jump?
I don't know, probably.
Wear comfortable shoes, bring water and snacks or a lunch, as there are no concessions along the way.
Here we are. Preacher's Cave. Smells kind of bad. It smells a little like weed. Feels like we're in the jungle.
Right?
All of a sudden.
The little bug noises and stuff.
Yeah, and like these trees coming over us.
You can schedule a taxi, but with our big group, this was not an option. We've also heard you can rent a car if you want to explore more of this large island.
Here we are.
This cave has a lot of beehives and supposedly bats that we didn't see. The original settlers of this area were shipwrecked on a nearby reef and sought shelter here until they could build houses.
Wow, it goes way back there.
They continued to use this as their church for many years.
I have cheese things. I have granola bars.
The beach where they landed is incredibly beautiful and faces the Atlantic Ocean. The reef here is named the Devil's Backbone and still claims boats who don't respect its shallow waters.
We are headed to go jump in the hole now.
What's it called? Sapphire Hole?
Yeah, Sapphire Blue Hole?
Something
Blue
like
Sapphire Hole? Something like that. We walked like 2 miles from where we docked with the
On my
dinghies.
broken leg.
Yeah, Logan.
Not actually broken.
No, he like hurt it running in the sandbar yesterday. And now we gotta walk it's like 0.7 miles back to the Blue Hole. And then just over a mile back to where we dinghied.
Yep.
So, taking a video because Mom and Dad aren't doing a very good job.
Yes, and we're walking with Nova Star and I can't remember the name of their boat.
All right, we're
Can't
here.
really put here if I'm trying
Liberty,
to
are you gonna jump in?
Probably.
Okay. Here's the hole.
Is it nicer to climb out? It is. Is there a safety line?
And then you climb up right there.
My dad was gonna bring a rope with just in case.
Yep.
Oh my gosh!
Too bad?
How is it? Is it cold?
It looks like about the drop of the inside pool in Utah.
Oh yeah, that one. That one's scary.
How is that scary?
I don't know.
Let's go, Katie. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Now.
It's really not that far now.
1, 2, 3.
How's that?
That's awesome.
Is it warm?
It feels really good. And I'm not lying.
Oh. How's that?
Three, two, one, go! Whee!
Don't think about it.
No, the second time I think it's scarier.
Right?
Alright, here we go.
Tally ho!
Oh, yeah. I think you could go from
All right, Liberty, are you okay?
Go help Liberty.
Want to jump one more time?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go, go, go. Over here. Go.
There you go.
Got it? Hold on. Hold on. Now, put it up here. You gotta put it right here. And pull yourself.
Try this, Mike.
You put it up there.
There you go.
Okay. Pull yourself up. The next one, put a foot right here. You got it? Alright. Now reach you, grab that ladder and pull yourself in. There. Are you and Amber going at the same time? Yes! Yes! Yeah. You can run at it. Woo! Awesome!
Come on,
That's good! You can do it. Hey, we'll save you. I have a CPR course. I'm good.
Oh my word, you guys.
Right there? Good.
You have to pull yourself up, Mom.
But you gotta be grabbing that rope to hold on to that because that's where the knots are. What is the ladder? Yeah, it kind of has to be there though. So tell us about it.
So cool. It was very cool. It was super salty, so you didn't have to tread water. You were just floating. That was weird.
Yeah.
It was clear. Like you could see to the bottom, but it was really deep.
Right?
It wasn't cold. Like it felt really good. I was expecting it to be cold because it looked dark.
Yeah.
From up there.
I think it would have been even better with the sun straight over the top of it. The light would have been completely...
Oh, the light would have been way cool.
So taking off my glasses to jump in,
That was scary.
because I couldn't see. And so I just closed my eyes and jumped. But then you're like falling and falling and falling. And I'm like, when does it end? And then you go down a long ways.
And how's the climb out?
Oh,
You were worried about that, weren't
I
you?
was. The first part was like really hard. The first initial, you kind of had to like lift yourself up enough to put your feet up on the rocks.
Yeah, you pull yourself up with
Yeah.
the rope.
Right?
Well, you're like wet and everything's slippery and like.
And I couldn't see because I didn't have my glasses on. So everything is slightly fuzzy and out of focus. And I'm like, I think that I can put my foot there.
Well, we'll set up the mizzen boom on the boat so we can all start doing pull-ups, get our upper body strength back.
Seriously, my arms are like sore a little bit.
Did you like it, Liberty?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
That sounds exciting.
Yeah.
Not today, but later?
She said it was super cool.
It was
She
super
had a
cool,
harder time getting out because she's so short.
right?
So she had a longer way to like reach her legs and arms.
Because
Yeah.
there was a couple of big reaches there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there were. So now we got, what, a mile and a half walk back or two? Wyle?
It's like just over a mile, I thought.
It looks like I wet myself because my sweat got my wrist too.
Yeah,
I think that was one of the coolest things I've ever done.
awesome.
I think it was too.
Yeah.
It was
And
fun,
I'm so proud of myself for doing it.
right?
The reef along Devil's Backbone is supposed to be great spearfishing, but you need the right weather conditions to do this safely, just like you would need if you wanted to take this route to Harbor Island.
Sounds good.
Where you want me to drop?
We only have one spear pole, so Todd and Logan are taking turns with the spear and spotting. You can't use a spear gun in the Bahamas, so a spear pole is a little harder to learn. Maybe they'll catch us dinner. That would be yummy, huh?
Alright, good morning, guys. We're at Spanish Wells. We're headed over to Egg Island. We're going to go check out the sandbar with the swings this morning. And then we're going to get ready to sail south. Making some breakfast. Got some pancakes going on. Let's go see what Tammy's doing. Ooh, sunrise. Sunrise, baby. How's it going? Looks like you're still dressed up for the Arctic.
It's winter here in the Bahamas. I do not have a raincoat and long johns on.
That's right. So what's our speed?
4.1 right now.
0.1 knots. We got the head sail out, the mizzen up. You might be able to see Nova Star right above our dinghy back there. Coming along with us. Beautiful though, except that it is cloudy today. Doesn't matter. Look at that water. Totally awesome. Totally awesome. I better go not burn a pancake. Now that's the first pancake. Traditionally, the first pancake is always a mess, but this one looks pretty good, I think. friends on paper sails. Woo! Bahamas is better with friends. Tammy nailed it right there. Go with us to the sandbar today. Got Nova Star over here. Spoondrifter right here amidst all of our laundry. We're ghetto now, babe, huh? Do what you gotta do.
This is one of our favorite memories we had with Abigail. She had so much fun running and playing with friends on our first season here in the Bahamas. This sandbar nearly disappears at high tide and is a popular tourist destination.
Beautiful, huh?
The tour boats feed the rays so that when you arrive, they come swimming right up to you looking for food.
It's really unnerving when they come by and touch you. They don't bite.
The cruising community is pretty small. We met our online friends from Paper Sails in person at the Annapolis Boat Show, and then we passed one another several times as we headed south for the winter. It was fun to see them again here in Eleuthera. Nova Star beat us to Florida and the Bahamas this winter, but we're excited to start traveling with them again on our way to the Exumas. After a morning on the sandbar, we headed towards Current Cut, which requires that we time our passing through it. Just before we entered the cut, Todd caught a fish. We quickly turned off our course and brought it on board before heading through the cut. We will anchor on the other side of the cut tonight and tackle crossing to the Exumas tomorrow.
Caught something.
Filming?
Yep.
Bring it up on.
Whoa, that's big.
Wow.
Oh, Dad caught dinner. No curry.
No curry today.
Wow.
That's alive.
Now he's looking real sad now.
Yeah, I'm just trying to
Very
glean
dead.
any extra stuff I think I can get out of it, you know?
Ooh. That looks uncomfortable.
Looks uncomfortable. Yeah, probably is.
Join us on our next episode when we cross the Exuma Bank in 25 knots of wind, dodging coral heads the size of pickup trucks.
There's one right on our starboard side. Wait a minute, good for it?
For the moment.